channel. So today we're going to be learning about set concepts. So let's start off. Basic concept. In our day-to-day life, different collective nouns are used to describe collection of objects such as a group of students playing cricket, a pack of cards, a bunch of flowers, etc. A set is a collection of well-defined objects, things or symbols, etc. Representation of a set. A set in general is represented in description method, tabular or roster method, set builder or rule method.
So total how many methods?
3.
Can you tell us what they are and how are they represented in those 3 methods?
Okay. Where's the page? Okay. N is the set of natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is a natural number. X, E, N. Description method, roster or tabular method, set builder or rule method are these 3. Keep them very important. These 3 are very important. Now nothing else important is
Can you tell us again which is the first method?
N is the set of natural numbers. This is the description method. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Roster or tabular method. N is equal to x dot x is a natural number. So x dot x is equal to n. Can you please show? Okay, so this is my mama shooting for me because my father has work. Oh, yeah, here this is. Can you see it clearly? Okay, I guess
Let's pause on this for a while. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Moving on.
So now we are going to be learning about a finite set. A set is said to be finite when a limited number of elements are there in it. Infinite set. Infinite में तो uncountable होगा because finite और infinite का फर्क तो आप जानते ही हो. Empty set और null set.
So can you give us an example of a finite set and an infinite set?
Okay. Example. S is a set of numbers between 10 and 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14.
So that is a
finite set.
because you can
Count the numbers like 11, 12, 13, 14. Infinite में set of prime numbers 2, 3, 5 बहुत सारे हो गए. Infinite है वो.
Can you give us one more generic example? How about the stars in the sky?
Yeah.
Is that a finite or an infinite
That's
set?
infinite. And
Sun and moon?
countable,
So?
finite. Another example. अपने perspective से देखते हैं. If a trainer goes with 6 Pokeballs, that is countable. But if a trainer has more than 10,000 Pokemon, it's infinite.
No, it isn't because he will have a definite number of Pokeballs, right?
Yeah, but he has 6 Pokeballs.
Unless he's collecting them as he goes along.
Yeah, there are many types. So if the trainer is collecting, it's an infinite set. Empty set or null set. A set with no element in it is empty set or null set. General example. If you are a Pokemon trainer and you don't have Pokeballs, that's a null set. Don't have Pokemon, that is also a null set. Disjoint set. Sets having no element in common are disjoint sets. So if a trainer has a Pikachu and the other has Charmander, are they common? No, because Pikachu is electric, Charmander is fire. That is disjoint. Joint, overlapping sets. Sets having at least one element in common. So if a trainer has a Charmeleon and the elder brother of his has a Charizard, so they are common, right? Because Charmeleon evolves into Charizard. One element to common है उनमें. Equal sets. 2 sets are to be equal because when both the elements are same, means अगर एक trainer के पास Charizard है, दूसरे के पास भी Charizard है, both are same. But एक trainer के पास Charizard X है और दूसरे के पास Y है, then they are not same. Then they are joint. Equivalent sets. 2 sets are said to be equivalent when number of elements in them and cardinal numbers, both of the sets are equal. मतलब cardinal numbers भी equal है और number of elements भी equal है. Now let's.
Can you give us pointers now? Which were the types of sets that you said? One was null sets.
Null sets, joint set, infinite sets, finite sets, disjoint set, equal sets and equivalent sets.
So equal sets and equivalent sets, what is the difference?
That equal में दोनों elements same होते हैं, पर यहाँ पे क्या होता है that equal number of elements होते हैं और
So 2,
Cardinal
3, 5 and 4, 7, 11 are equivalent sets
Yes.
because both of them have 3 elements in it.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about the other set that you mentioned, joint sets? Joint sets have at least one element in common, right?
मतलब ये देखो. See this. Can you please? Okay. So now, if set A has 999 number of Pokemon, and set B, okay, set B has only 100 Pokemon. So they are not even equal, not even equivalent. But yeah, they have one element in common because
Set B has only one number, which is 100.
Yeah, B has 100 Pokemon and A has 999.
So if you represent B as a set, B will have only one element, which is 100,
Yeah.
and A will have from numbers from 1 to 999.
But if we cut the 99s, both the elements are same because 100 into 9 is 900. So they
No,
have
no,
at
no, no,
least
no,
one
no,
thing
no,
in
no, no,
common.
no, no, no. So B has one element, which is 100.
Yeah.
A has 999 elements, which is from 1 to 999.
Yeah.
So B is a.
B is
Can we say that B is a subset of A?
Yes.
That's why they are joint sets, right?
Yeah, because see, if we cut the 99s, 100 into 9 is 900. So that can be the subset,
Arjun,
right?
that is not the logic.
Acha, sorry.
100 is part of set A, is it not? If you have numbers from 1 to 999.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
So can we say that all subsets of a set with the set itself form joint sets? Can we make that statement?
I guess yes.
Moving.
I hate maths. Now we'll do a solved example. Set of letters in the word Panipat. Now, here you cannot repeat the words. So, Panipat में कितने हैं? P1, A2, N3, I4 पर letters repeat नहीं कर सकते तो P और P नहीं आएगा. Directly T will come, which is 5. So, Panipat has 5 elements.
Got it.
Up, please. Can you take the camera up? Okay. Universal set. Any set which contains all the elements of various sets under discussion is called a universal set.
So for set A and B, if B is a subset of A, then
Yeah.
which is the universal set? Can we say that it is A?
Yeah.
Because A has both elements of A itself and of.
B. Yeah, then that will be a universal set. But if A doesn't have the elements of B, you cannot say that it's a universal set. Union of sets, which is
So Arjun, for every two sets, if set 1 is a subset of set 2,
yeah.
then can we say that set 2 is a universal set for sets 1 and 2?
Yes. Okay, can you please spotlight my camera? Okay, so now we are going to be learning about A union B and A intersection B. I will explain. Union का मतलब क्या होता है? Elements from set A and set B. So मतलब सारे elements आएंगे. Intersection मतलब सिर्फ common elements आएंगे. A minus B मतलब जो A में है पर B में नहीं है, तो वो आएंगे. और B minus A जो B में है A में नहीं है. Now we learn about N A.
So can you give us an example of union and intersection?
अरे मैं सबका एग्जाम्पल देने वाला हूँ, आप प्लीज शांत रहो. Okay, so now we are going to be taking a look at a sum that I have to write in my book. So I have say A has 4, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है? And B has 1, 11 and 7. So अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है A यूनियन B. तो अब कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? दोनों की मिलाकर, मतलब देखो 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 11. आए समझ में बात?
Yes.
And now we are going to be taking a look at A intersection B. मतलब कॉमन क्या है इन दोनों में?
Can you put
4 कॉमन है?
brackets,
नहीं.
please?
सॉरी. 4 कॉमन है नहीं, ये तो उसमें नहीं है. 6 कॉमन है नहीं, 7 कॉमन है दोनों में. तो A and B, सॉरी A इंटरसेक्शन B इज 7. अब हम देखने वाले हैं N A. A में कितने एलिमेंट्स है काउंट करो, जल्दी जल्दी काउंट करो मामा.
4 elements.
सो इधर का आंसर आएगा 4. और एन बी, बी में एलिमेंट्स है 3.
I don't think you're supposed to put brackets when it is NA and NB, right? Because they are numbers.
You are confusing me. I of course hate maths. That's why.
See here. Can you see this? When it
Yes.
is number of elements in a set, you are not supposed to put it in a bracket.
Sorry.
When it is a set representation, it always has brackets. It is
Sorry,
always
sorry.
to be put in brackets.
So N B is. Now we are going to be learning about N A U B. मैंने इसके बारे में पहले कभी नहीं सुना. A bit shocking for me. N A U B is N A plus N B. मतलब
No,
देखो.
so this is basically the same concept that you learned earlier, Arjun.
Yes.
Can you see here? You've already put A union B.
Yep.
So it will be the number of elements in the set A union B. The logic remains the same. It is a number of
Yeah.
elements in a set.
That's true. But in N A U B you have to add both the sets. मतलब क्या होगा? 4
So you've already done that.
और 3 दोनों ऐड होंगे. और आंसर
You
क्या आएगा?
have, no, that is not correct, Arjun. You
But
have,
here in the book it's given.
it is NA plus NB minus A intersection B.
Oh, sorry.
But since you have already done that, you have already found the union set here. How many numbers does this have? You can cross verify that way. How many numbers does this have?
1 2 3 4 5 6.
So can you write A union B is equal to 6? Write it here, is equal to 6. Now use the formula n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B and see if your answer
N
comes the
of
same.
A minus N
Plus
of
n of B plus n of
B.
B minus n of A intersection B. So do you have the first two? What is n of A?
N of A is 4.
What is n of B?
3
What is n of A intersection B?
7.
So that is it 7, Arjun?
No.
What
no.
did you do for the first two? You counted the number of elements,
Yes,
right? So
yes.
how many number of elements are there in A intersection B? Are there 7 elements?
1. Sorry.
So what is your answer?
7 minus 1 6.
Correct.
So मैथ्स मेरा थोड़ा कच्चा रह गया, क्या करूँ अब? मैं हूँ ऐसा. Okay. Now I'll close the book for some time, and now we will take a look at the other subject over here. Oh, the chapter is ended here. See this? I'm not joking. See this.
Very good. So now Arjun understands the concepts of sets and we hope so do you.
Okay, so guys.
So can you revise it for us again?
No, I will give you guys some questions which you have to answer me in the comments. Okay. Take a look at my book. One sec. Okay. Can you please? So question 1. What are sets? Question 2. What is the difference between equal and equivalent sets? And third one, A 4 6 8, B is 8 16 and 7. Find AUB, A intersection B, comma NA, NB, A minus B, B minus A, NAUB, and N.
Can you check
A
this? Is this
intersection.
correct? Is it N A minus B or is it just A minus B?
It's just A minus B.
Have you explained that to anyone? How you're supposed to find that?
Oh, see this. A minus B. सो A माइनस बी में देखो यहाँ पे ये दोनों के आंसर मैं ही
Explain
आपको
that.
दे देता हूँ. सो एलिमेंट्स विच आर देयर इन A आर नॉट देयर इन B. सो समझ रहे हो आप लोग. सो अब हमें करना क्या है. A में 4 6 8 है, इसमें 8 8 16 7 है, तो जो एलिमेंट्स B में है वो A में नहीं है और जो A में है वो B में नहीं है. सो A माइनस B मतलब होगा क्या 4 और 6. B माइनस A क्या होगा 7 और 16 और A इंटरसेक्शन B क्या होगा. That will be directly 8. 8. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments which is your favorite subject and the answers of these questions. So till the next time, guys. Tada, bye bye. See you. Sayonara. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, Arjun.